Good morning class, I am Nikhilesh Mishra, your computer teacher. So student, today we continue our 6th chapter, that is your working of PowerPoint 2016. So student, in the previous video we discussed about what is Microsoft PowerPoint and what is the use of PowerPoint presentation in our daily life and how we do your work on PowerPoint presentation. So where we discuss understanding slide and slide layouts, where we discuss many types of slide layouts like title slide, title content and many more. So in this video we discuss about the inserting new slide. So how we insert a new slide. Students, whenever you start a new presentation, it will contain one slide with the title slide. So here we see title slide. This is the default slide on your screen. So you can insert as many slides as you need from a variety of layouts. So let us learn to insert a new slide. So student, for inserting a new slide, just we simply go to the home tab. So here you see the new slide tab and click the bottom half of the new slide command, and then after you choose the desired slide layout from the menu that appears the and select, and the new slide will appear. Then you simply click any placeholder and begin typing to add text. You can also click an icon to add other type of content such as pictures or charts. So by this method you can insert a new slide. After that, student, we have inserting the new slide. Next is your creating the title slide. So student, for creating a title slide before I want to tell you that to change the layout of an existing slide, click the layout command also, and then choose the desired layouts where you see different types of slides. So just see. After that is your creating the title slide. For creating a title slide, student, simply PowerPoint assume that every new slide has a title. Whenever you open a new presentation, any text typed after a new slide display becomes, that is your title text. Your title text. So in the title text placeholder, simply you click on the title text placeholder box, type your text in the text placeholder box, and the title text is displayed in the title text placeholder. So here we see introduction to computers. This is your the title. So simply just click on the title placeholder and the title placeholder will start. After that, student entering the text in subtitle. How we enter the text in our subtitle. So student, for inserting a subtitle, you simply click on the subtitle text box placeholder box and type your text in subtitle text placeholder box, and the subtitle text is displayed in the suitable text placeholder and it the slide tab. So this is the method. After that, student, adding a new slide to the presentation. How we add a new slide? So here we see this is the first slide and this is the second slide. How we do like this? So student, your next step is to create the next slide after creating a title slide. So when you open a new presentation, PowerPoint creates a blank title slide to build a presentation. So you can add as many slides as you like. So normally whenever a presentation is created, in addition to slides, one can add text, graphics or charts. So simply follow the steps and add a new slide. So here we see, simply click on home tab and click the new slide option and select the slide to appear in the presentation. So जो आपको स्लाइड चाहिए वो आप सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, then you use on your presentation. And if you adding a text to a slide too, you can type the text in the same way as you type in the text in your slide 1. So click on the title text placeholder and box type your text, then click on the subtitle text placeholder box and type your text, and a bulleted appears beside your text. When you press the enter key, a new bulleted appear in the next line. So complete your remaining text as you did in earlier steps. So for this you simply add a new slide. Simply add text to the new slide. So here we see. So हमने यहाँ पे एक स्लाइड बनाई थी इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंप्यूटर्स की, देन मेन मतलब आपका जो टाइटल था वो इंट्रोडक्शन टू द कंप्यूटर था, एंड इट्स कंटेंट्स, जो इसका सब टाइटल था वो आपका था टाइप्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर एंड इट्स कंटेंट्स आर डिस्प्ले हियर इन द बुलेटेड लिस्ट फॉर्म्स. सो यू सी, फर्स्ट स्लाइड में हमने इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंप्यूटर दिया था, that is your title, and then your subtitle is type of computers. So here we make a slide of types of computers. So these are the method by which you add a text or add a slide in your document. So student, this is the method. So thank you very much.